So hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Sakhi. Today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem 175, combine two tables. Okay, so here one table is given as person and there are total 3 columns. First column name is person ID, which type is integer, and second column name is last name, and third column name is first name. Both columns have type of character. Okay. After that there is another table whose name is address, which contains total 4 columns. First is address ID, second is person ID, both are integer, and third is city, and fourth is state column, which both are varchar type. Okay. So we can see that the person ID in both the table is common. So person ID is a foreign key for this particular table. Okay, we can see the example that means we have to write a solution to report the first name, last name, city and state of each person in the person table. If the address of person ID is not present in the address table, we have to report null instead. Okay, so we can see that means we have to address of a person ID we have to give null, and address of the person ID is from address table, that is city and state, in the output table. So we can say that we have to join both the tables by using left join, because what left join does, left join takes all the rows from the first table and all the matching rows from the second table, and the data which is not matched to the first column values of the first column, then that data will be reported as a null. Okay, so that's why we are using null left join in this particular question. So we will write select. What we have to give in output, first is first name as first name. We have to write it in camel case, and after that last name as last name in the camel case. After that city as city, and state as state. Why we are writing this? Because we have to specify all these columns. That's why we have to take all these from which table. First table name is person, so we will take this as person and we will give alias it as a person. Okay, and left join address A. So we will first name is taken from the person table, that's why we will specify it is a p.person name. After that last name is also taken from person table. After that the city is taken from address table, so we will give it as a specify a dot. So the state is also taken from address table, and we have to write the joining condition, and we can see that in both the table person ID is common, so that's why we are using p dot person ID should be equal to a dot person ID. Person ID, yes, not like that. After that, if we try to run this code, I hope it should run. Yeah, it is running perfectly fine. Now we will try to submit it. Yeah, it is running on total 8 cases. So thank you everyone for watching this video. We will catch up in the next video.